New era in access control system. Physical access control involves opening the electric lock for a secured location, with access rights granted through RF cards, tags, or fingerprint recognition. In traditional access control systems, user configurations are permanent until recalled. In the era of AI, data-driven decision-making, and an interconnected online environment, access control is ripe for transformation. Technologies such as face recognition, dynamic one-time QR codes, and IoT have now been established to drive this change. Various use cases, such as co-working and co-living spaces, gyms, visitor management in large building complexes, call centers, and the management of contract labor within industries, are currently loosely handled. Fortuna introduces IoT protocol-based face and QR reader-based devices that communicate with the server in online mode via the internet. If the edge device is based on face recognition, it identifies the person's ID and pushes it online to the server for access validation. For dynamically generated QR codes based on online booking or subscriptions from various applications, the QR reader-based edge device reads the code and sends it to the server for back-end validation. In both cases, the decision to open the lock is communicated to the intelligent edge device from the server's back-end through online validation. The entire round-trip cycle occurs in real time without any latency delay. The online dashboard provides an up-to-date picture of occupancy, enabling timely business decisions. The system has the capacity to scale up for large global implementations and can integrate directly with business applications using APIs or tight integration. If you have a business problem to address or a need to secure your premises with the dynamic solutions, Fortuna is here to help you find a resolution. Atithi Devo Bhava. Thank you for watching video.